Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I don't know about you, but I love this time of year with all the holiday crafting. If you haven't had a chance, make sure you go check out the events on my Facebook page or go to my blog. And usually at the bottom of a post, I will have the current events I have open right now. And guys, I have some really fun holiday craft kits for you this time. So I wanted to share with you the November Sweet Creations Club Kit, show you what the projects are going to be and what you'll need in order to make the projects. So let me pull my craft space over for you so that you can see these really fun and beautiful candy cane projects. It is going to be using the Sweetest Candy Canes bundle and mainly the dies this time because I want to bring out the beauty in the designer series paper. So let me show that to you real quick. I just love this paper. I love all of the patterns. All the candy canes are actually going to be cut from this paper. There's no stamped candy canes, believe it or not. You can if you want. You can use the stamp set to stamp the candy canes. But we have these really fun and beautiful patterns in the designer series paper. I've used this a lot. This is just a good basic one to use for all kinds of crafts. And then on the back, we've got some really fun prints that has some of the green, some more red, and some little mini candy canes there. So I really wanted to just highlight the paper this time. And so what you're going to do is you're going to be making 5 projects. 4 of them will be cards and 1 will be a treat box. So I wanted to kind of show you a little close-up view of each of the cards. That's just a quick little fun fold there on the front. And then you can also open it up that way. And we have this one. And your project kit will include all of the pre-cut cardstock supplies that you will need to make the projects. You will, like I said, need to provide the Sweetest Candy Canes bundle, but you'll have about $20 in some consumable products that you'll use in your your little project kit to make your projects. So like I said, you need that Sweetest Candy Canes bundle in order to be able to make the projects as I have designed them. I did use like the sentiments because I love the sentiments. Oh my goodness. Candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. How cute is that? And so I used the other sentiments, and then I used that leaf several times. And then again, I use the dies quite a bit. And what you will need in addition to that, the bundle, you'll also want to have just 1 ink pad. I cannot believe this was designed with just 1 color, and that is the garden green. And then you'll want to have some just basic adhesives that will be your multi-purpose liquid glue or your favorite tape adhesive, mini glue dots, and some dimensionals. Now, if you're not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a fun monthly project kit for $39 shipped, and you get about $20 in Stampin' Up! Consumable products to be able to use in your projects, as well as a PDF tutorial. Now, you have 2 options to sign up for that club. One, you can either subscribe monthly, and every month you get my project for that month in the mail. You don't have to worry about remembering to register. It automatically, you get billed and it comes to you. Or you can try it out for a month. I do have 2 different links, so make sure when you go to my Sweet Creations Club link that you are looking at, if it is the PayPal button, then that is the subscription button. If it has a specific 1-month link to click, then that is for the 1-month trial. And that way you can just try it out, see if you like it. And if you do, then you can subscribe monthly. Now, when you are part of my Sweet Creations Club, you will also earn club perks. You get a little welcome gift from me when you first join. And then once you're a club member for 6 consecutive months, I send you a gift valued about $25 in the mail every time that you are a club member for 6 months. So guys, I am really looking forward to mailing you this fun project kit. Now, if you are here in San Antonio, I do have a local in-person club. And with you being local and I don't need to ship it to you, it is $34. So make sure in that the link in just the description that you are selecting the local club option, and then that way you can forego that $5 postage. So guys, take care and please reach out if you have any questions. Bye-bye.